Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Warframe game. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you haven't downloaded the Warframe game on your device already, you will need to log in using your web browser. Just type in warframe.com in the address bar and press enter and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see the download game button within your account icon section. After the game has been downloaded and installed, when you open it up, you will be asked to log in using your email address and your password. So just type in your email address within the email address section and then enter the password that you have set within the password box. Finally, click on the login button and now this will log you in to your Warframe game right away. If you are playing for the first time, you will be given the option to change various different settings. After changing your settings, just tap on the confirm button and now this will begin your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Warframe game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.